Song, make sure it syncs with that song. Olúwa ṣe ohun ńlá tẹ́nì kankan ò lè calm fún wọn jẹ díẹ̀. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Iyanu Apala, also known as Iyanu Apala. On today's episode, we are going to be talking about some rhythms we can play on Woro. I mean, even in Isoji. All my fellow CAC members and CNS share one later. There's some simple rhythms that you can play. I just want to give some simple ones that you can play along with your orin Isoji ability. For example, èmi á dúpẹ́ o, èmi á dúpẹ́ o, orí rẹ méjì á dúpẹ́ o, orí rẹ dúpẹ́ orí rẹ bàbá. When you're playing your rhythms for a song, make sure it syncs with that song. Not you are playing behind it or something. Make sure it syncs with that song. It's very, very important. There are some rhythms that you play that doesn't go with some certain song. Mele shai dúpẹ́ èmi á dúpẹ́ orí rẹ èmi á dúpẹ́ orí mele shai dúpẹ́ orí bàbá. Maybe you want to play a rhythm with some words inside it. There's something that you can play with words. Olúwa ṣe this thing I'm playing, and I just form it now, like the way I carry my stick and play. So you can create anything anytime. Ó ṣeun gbogbo Èdùmàrè, ó ṣeun gbogbo. Kàmí ní gbogbo ọ̀nà ẹ ṣé, ó ṣeun gbogbo Èdùmàrè, ó ṣeun gbogbo, ó ṣeun gbogbo Èdùmàrè, ó ṣeun gbogbo. Some simple and little rhythms that you play to some songs. There are a lot of Isoji Yoruba songs like this maybe dancer Kijoba, dancer. Maybe you don't want to o fẹ́ kí Ọlọ́run nínú. I will play the little bit of Iyanu then just listen to the rhythms at the back. Then you can even turn some allusions to rhythms at the end. You know, every time that wàá lálùjọ ẹ má fàlùjọ pa wá. A mọ̀ pé ẹ ti tẹ̀ for example, dancer Kijoba ó ti pa tán ojoojúmọ́ olè fẹ́ kí Ọlọ́run pé ìyọ́pá òkè agbẹ́gbẹ́ ṣù òkè agbẹ́gbẹ́ ṣù. Àbọ̀. Aba, so simple rhythms while you are playing. Akuma tunjọ fún wọn jẹ nínú àárín orin, then you can play it along with any song of your choice. There are a lot of rhythms that you can play. You can create it on stage there. Any song. Wọ́n lè fún ẹ ní Olúwa ṣe ohun ńlá tẹ́nì kankan ò lè ṣe. Wàá kàn fún wọn jẹ. So when you're playing your rhythms, always make sure it syncs with the song the lead vocal is singing. Not the lead vocal is singing while you are playing 9. There was some rhythm that gives your singer, your boss, your guy the vibe and the energy to sing more. Ofunjẹ lórí bẹ́ẹ̀. Pọ̀. So please make sure whenever you are playing the rhythms, make sure it always syncs with the song they are singing at that moment. Because the lyrics, the lyrics you are playing is what beautify the songs they are singing at that moment. So once the rhythm is going halfway, the outcome will be noise to your audience. So make sure you play the right rhythms to songs, not until you want to play off time to a song. Mm-mm. Just be something simple. Sometimes it just be. I'm a play that, I'm a play that. We know you are good. But sometimes don't just show yourself everywhere. Just calm, or fún wọn jẹ díẹ̀ and leave. So simple rhythms, leave as whole leave. I believe with these rhythms I just give you, you pick one or two there and vibe along with it whenever your lead vocal, your singer sing for you, and you just play along and just be cool on it. If you haven't subscribed on this channel, please do and share with your friends, share with everyone so that they too can enjoy this our family right here. See you next time. God bless you and I love you all.